yon kote na pe mate Musique nou gen pou pa kante nan pièce nou kote chale e nou bay file Konpa sa fe moun da moun fe yo fiancé li fe yo marié Même sa ki nan kon
Tonight we wanted to give this night so we can I know we're all in here. We just want to go ahead and kind of get a few things going and introduce ourselves. We're from Konpa, and want everyone to get to know us off the dance floor. So we're definitely excited. We want you guys to come vibe with us. If you have your little drinks, snacks, water, whatever you want. You can ask us questions, whatever you want to ask us, we're right here, we'll answer. We're going to go ahead and hit a few topics too. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to start introducing ourselves. We're going to start with Ms. Donna.
Hi everybody, my name is Donna. I'm from Konpa. I've been part of the team since about 1.5 years now. I love it. It's my getaway. It's my peace. It actually helped me find my inner sexiness, so I love it. It's a great family. If you ever need somebody to like vibe with and be a security guard, that would be me. That would be me. Okay.
Hello.
Oh. Hi everybody, my name is Elkana. So I've been in this for over 3 years now. I love it. It's my place of peace. Just yeah, it's been over 3 years now. Really good. Yeah, it's been over 3 years now.
Kenyatta?
Oh, it's my turn? Oh,
yes, ma'am.
My name is Kenyatta, and I've been with DK for 1 year. Yep. Hi.
Your name?
She did. Miss Kenyatta, thank you. My name is Rose. I have been with Dance Konpa for 1 year now. I moved here from Orlando. It's been great meeting these beautiful ladies. I'm so excited. It's just been great being with them. I did want, I'm going to start hitting a few fun facts as well. So I'll go ahead and do mine during the introduction. Not a lot of people that I actually lived in Orlando pretty much all my life. And here I have 2 grandchildren. I am almost 50. Got 1 more year. I'm going to hit that 50. Yes. Even my girls forget that I'm 50.
Yes, we sure do.
Yes, we do.
You're 25. You're 25, period.
So we do have one other girl that's with us with FanmDK before Ruthie comes in and introduces herself. Hopefully she'll be into it so she can introduce herself, Tanisha. And like I said, it's been a great journey this full year with them. They've taught me all I know. Of course, Dance Konpa too, and all the gentlemen in Dance Konpa, all the instructors we had there. It's been great. Ruthie, take it away.
All right, y'all. So, it's Ruthie in the building. All right. I've been in DK for 4 years, so I'm the OG. I've been in Dance Konpa. It's been a lot of experiences. I've learned a lot, especially with the girls coming in after. I felt more comfortable. They boost me up. I boost them up. They give me confidence. We give all each other confidence. It's just so great to be in a group of ladies that love to dance, love to inspire each other and push each other up. And I'm just glad to be in this group. It's a great group. And you will learn more about us throughout this show. But next I'm going to introduce you guys live from New Jersey. The great artist, the one and only Ruby R. Let's give it up for Ruby R.
Well, Hello. Hi. Well, you guys already know my name is Ruby R, and I'm a singer. Um, yeah, I do. I said pretty much all kind of music, right? R&B, hip hop, Konpa, Afro. I'm all over, you know. Maybe I don't know what to do. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, I'm here in New Jersey, and tonight I'm vibing with DK ladies, you know. Well, the DK people, they say that, you know, instead of ladies. But yeah, that's it.
We also have in here. Her name is Kaylee. She's one of our. She didn't want to talk, so she's wave Miss Kelly. I see you. Okay, she did not want to talk, but she's one of our DK angels. We have a few that do help us when it comes to our DK and any events we have. I know Ayo is not showing her face, but thank you, Ayo. Thank you so much for you ladies that have also helped us on in our events that we have tried. What was it? Orlando, of course. I forget, I'm from Orlando. So thank you again. We're going to go ahead and Ruby, you want to go ahead and put a song in there?
What was that?
Go ahead and play one of your songs so people can get to hear one of your songs.
Why, you want me to sing or you want me to play a song?
Oh, what would you like to do? This is
I don't know. I'll do anything you want.
What does everybody
Sing
want
me
to
a
do?
song, baby. Sing me a song. I like just sing me a song.
Oh,
Hey, Georgie!
We have Ericy Page, Ruby, shout out to you on there. Maggie says she does want to hear you sing too. Maggie is on from Canada. Those of you who are not familiar with Maggie, she's an instructor in Canada. So hopefully we'll be going up there, our DK ladies, depending how we are with the COVID. So we'll be traveling to Canada as well. One of our main leads is also on here, Jeff. I see you.
Yes, Jeff!
Jeff is one of our main leads. Totally enjoy him. Every time we go out, we try to drag him with us.
The main lead.
Thank you so much.
Lead.
Monter 40, quitter 40, il monter 50, quitter 50, il monter 60, quitter 60, il monter 70, quitter 70, il monter 80, quitter 80, monter 90, quitter 90, il met ça. Yo, baby. Monter 50, quitter 50, il monter 60, quitter 60, il monter 70, quitter 70, il monter 80, quitter 80, monter 90, quitter 90, il rive 100.